How can I stop snoring quickly? There are many people that snore. You may be one of them. If you are a snorer or you live with someone that does snore, you are aware that there are many nights where the snoring will make others in the house lose sleep. But there are some things that you may be able to do so that you can ease the snoring and make it possible for people in the house to get some sleep. These are some things that you can try to stop snoring. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Many times if you are overweight, this can lead to snoring. Losing weight will help you cut back on snoring. If you are overweight, the tissues around your neck will have fatty tissues, and lying on your back will prevent the air from flowing in and out freely. To change your sleeping position, you will want to try to avoid sleeping on your back. Sleeping flat on your back is the best way to snore the loudest. You will want to avoid sleeping this way if you are trying not to snore at nights. Sleeping on the side or on your stomach will help prevent you from snoring. If you have to sleep on your back, raise yourself up a little with a few extra pillows under your upper back to try to avoid snoring. 3. Alcohol and smoking. Both of these will contribute to snoring. Smoking will irritate the airways and can be related to sinus problems. Alcohol will relax the neck muscles and cause you to snore more. If you drink, try to avoid drinking right before you go to bed. 4. Sinus problems. If you have sinus problems, your nasal passages may be clogged and you will have no option other than to breathe out of your mouth. If this is the case, you will probably snore most of the night.